Welcome back to Easy Driver. In this segment, we'll dive deeper into tire maintenance and replacement guidelines. Before we get started, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about all things automotive. Let's continue our journey toward safer and more efficient driving. Age and condition of tires. The age and condition of tires are key considerations when deciding whether to mix them. Over time, tires can develop wear and tear, losing their grip and performance capabilities. It is generally advisable to avoid mixing new and used tires, as the disparity in their condition can affect handling and stability. Tires with severe damage, such as cuts, bulges, or sidewall cracks, should never be mixed and should be replaced immediately for safety reasons. Furthermore, it is worth noting that even if the tires seem to be in good condition, the age of the tire is also an important factor to evaluate. Tires that are more than 6 years old, regardless of their visual appearance, should be carefully inspected or replaced, as age can impact tire integrity and safety. When it comes to mixing tires, it is crucial to consider tire sizes and types, tread patterns and depths, as well as the age and condition of the tires. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether mixing tires is a safe and viable option for your vehicle. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when it comes to your tires and overall driving experience. Mixing tires. When is mixing tires acceptable? When it comes to tires, ensuring safety and performance is of utmost importance. However, there may be situations where mixing tires becomes a necessary consideration. Let's explore two scenarios where mixing tires can be acceptable: emergency situations and temporary solutions. Emergency situations. In certain predicaments, circumstances may arise where immediate tire replacement is not feasible. Emergency situations may include incidents such as 1. Flat tire. Imagine you're driving on a highway and suddenly experience a flat tire. In such a case, finding an exact match for your tire may not be possible. Thus, temporarily using a different tire becomes a viable option to get back on the road as quickly as possible. 2. Tire damage. Whether due to a puncture, sidewall damage, or other unforeseen circumstances, tire damage can occur unexpectedly. If you find yourself in a situation where the damaged tire cannot be repaired or replaced with an exact match, mixing tires temporarily may help you reach a safe location or tire service center. In addition to emergency situations, there are instances where mixing tires could provide a temporary solution. Consider the following scenarios. 1. Uneven wear. If your vehicle's tires have worn unevenly, replacing only one tire may lead to an imbalance in handling and traction. In such cases, experts may suggest replacing both tires on the same axle to maintain stability and performance until a full set replacement is feasible. 2. Budget constraints. Sometimes, financial limitations may prevent you from replacing all tires at once. If your remaining tires are in good condition and meet safety standards, mixing them with 1 or 2 new tires can be a practical temporary solution until you are able to replace the remaining tires. It is crucial to remember that while mixing tires may be acceptable in emergency situations and temporary solutions, it should only be considered as a short-term fix. Driving with a mixture of tires for an extended period can impact handling, traction, and overall vehicle safety. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a professional tire specialist and replace all tires with a matching set as soon as it is possible and financially feasible. By understanding the reasons behind acceptable tire mixing scenarios, you can make informed decisions regarding your vehicle's safety and performance. Remember, when it comes to tires, prioritizing safety should always be the top priority. Proper tire maintenance. Proper tire maintenance is essential for ensuring the longevity and performance of your vehicle's tires. Regular inspections and rotations, along with adhering to tire replacement guidelines, are key to maximizing the safety and durability of your tires. Regular inspections and rotations. Regular inspections and rotations play a crucial role in maintaining the condition of your tires. By conducting routine inspections, you can identify any potential issues or signs of wear before they become more significant problems. During an inspection, carefully examine the tread depth, sidewall condition, and overall tire integrity. Look for signs of uneven wear, bulges, or punctures. If you notice any abnormalities, it is essential to address them promptly. Rotating your tires at recommended intervals promotes even wear and extends their lifespan. Tire rotation involves moving the tires from one position to another, such as switching the front tires with the rear ones. This helps distribute the wear more evenly across all 4 tires, optimizing their performance and longevity. Tire replacement guidelines. Knowing when to replace your tires is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's safety and performance. Here are some general guidelines to follow. 1. Tread depth. The legal minimum tread depth is typically 2/32 of an inch. However, it is advisable to replace your tires before they reach this threshold to ensure optimal traction, especially in wet or snowy conditions. Consider investing in new tires when the tread depth reaches around 4/32 of an inch. 2. Age. Tires deteriorate over time, even if they have sufficient tread depth. It is recommended to replace tires that are more than 6 years old, regardless of their outward appearance. This is because the rubber compounds gradually degrade, leading to reduced performance and increased risk of failure. 3. Visible damage. If your tires exhibit visible damage, such as deep cuts, bulges, or sidewall cracks, it is imperative to replace them immediately. These issues compromise the structural integrity of the tire and pose a significant safety hazard. 4. Tire performance. As tires age, their performance may decline, leading to reduced handling, traction, and braking capabilities. If you notice a significant decrease in your tire's performance, it may be time for a replacement. 5. Manufacturer recommendations. Always refer to your tire manufacturer's guidelines for specific recommendations regarding tire replacement. Manufacturer guidelines. Consider factors such as tire type, usage patterns, and vehicle specifications to provide the most accurate advice. Following these guidelines will help you maintain optimal tire performance and ensure your safety on the road. Remember to consult a professional if you have any concerns or if you are uncertain about the condition of your tires. In conclusion, mixing tires is a practice that should be avoided at all costs. Not only does it compromise the safety and performance of your vehicle, but it can also lead to uneven wear and tear on your tires, resulting in decreased fuel efficiency and increased risk of accidents. It is crucial to understand that tires are specifically designed to work in harmony with each other, and mixing different brands, sizes, or tread patterns can disrupt this balance. To ensure optimal performance, it is always recommended to replace all 4 tires at the same time and to choose the right tires for your specific vehicle and driving conditions. By following these guidelines, you can maintain a safe and smooth driving experience while prolonging the lifespan of your tires. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos.